So this is XAUUSD analysis for Tuesday the 4th of September. Now let's just have a look at prices and where prices may likely go. So previously we've had prices break above the 1204.69. We weren't able to hold the 1204.69 for continuation towards the 1214.26. We've seen the breakdown beyond the 11.99, came down towards that 11.96 before we had a brief consolidation before we had a rally back above the 1204.69. Again, we weren't able to hold that 1204.69, further breakdown towards that 11.99. A brief rally, couldn't quite get towards that 1204.69, so we have seen a lower high posted here somewhat. So we've had a lower high posted here on the XAUUSD, and currently on this retest of that 11.99, we are seeing a breakdown from this 11.99, and we are heading towards that 400 period moving average. So again, we previously found support in around this 11.96. We'll see if we do hold support there, but possibly we may see a failure. We've tested this area quite a few occasions, so we may see a breakdown of that 11.96. If that is the case, we are looking for a move down towards that 11.85. I suppose I should possibly mark that out on the chart. Just going to mark this out on the chart. I'm just going to, there we go. It is a minor level, so wouldn't place great emphasis on this 11.85. But it is a level of note. So if we do see this breakdown, if we do see this continued breakdown beyond this 11.96, possibly looking for a retest of the 11.85, successful break from which we'll be then looking for price head down to the 11.80.42. And if we do see sufficient bearish sell side momentum here on the XAUUSD, the very next level of note is of course that 11.70.63. Beyond that, we're looking at the move down towards 11.64 here on the XAUUSD. Needless to say, if we do see a bit of a turnaround, if we do find a support in around that 11.96, where we do have that confluence of 400 period average, we can see whether 11.99 does hold. Successful break from which we're then looking for a test of that 1204.69. And if there is sufficient bullish buy side volatility here to the upside, the very next level of note is a move up towards that 1214.26 here on the XAUUSD. We anticipate prices moving all the way up towards that 1220.67 here on the XAUUSD. Now, what we'll do now is have a look here at the daily chart, see how prices are developing. So on this daily chart of the XAUUSD, previously we've had a pretty sharp bullish move from that 11.60. Now we were looking for a bit of a flag to form here in around this 11.99 and possibly break and have that further continuation. Currently seeing a breakdown from this 11.99, so we'll see if we do see this continued breakdown. If we do see this breakdown again, looking for a move down towards 11.85. Previously an area we had a pullback before we did see bullish bias momentum. So again, look to see whether 11.85 does hold. Beyond that, we've got the 11.80, 11.70, and beyond even that, we've got our previous lows all the way down towards 11.60 here on the XAUUSD. Previously, the trend is pretty clear. It is here to the downside, so the trend previously has been to the downside before this brief rally, so we'll see if we can have continuation from this rally, or if we will break back into the downwards trend and see prices retest our lows in around that 11.60. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the XAUUSD analysis. Thanks for watching.